a wicked shot. It's so dark. Oh, we have I think that's a funnel right there. Yeah. Massive spinning. Right, stop the car right here. Pretty sure we got a good funnel going.
I think that might be.
Oh yeah, good funnel, man. Yeah, boy. Poor cows.
Yeah.
Definite funnel.
Yeah.
Spinning hard. So. Oh, it wants to come down.
I'm just glad we're on this side.
We're on the perfect side.
Dude, it's not even windy.
We're right where we should be. God, I hope you can see rotation on computer. Calm down.
Oh, it's gaining rotation, I think.
Oh, it's got some juice in it. Oh, it wants to. If I get any debris on the ground. Oh, I got debris on the ground. That's a tornado, buddy.
Yeah. I see it.
It's trailing it good. Debris on the ground. Starting to rope. Wait till you see this video, dude. I've got something tumbling in the field. Oh, it's coming down. Woo! See it?
It's going back up.
Suck that dirt up from that field,
yeah.
buddy. Fucking awesome.
Oh, you can see it.
Man, there's cows right in this thing. Oh, look down. Wait. See a roof?
Yeah.
We saw the roof.
Yeah. That went. Yeah. We got a video. Cool.
Got that, Taff? Get it.
You want to know what's bad? We were just there, huh? Oh, really?
Getting wicked. Whoa.
I got the road.